Hi, I'm Corinne, and we're here at Dee's today to show you how to use this cute little Uncle Sam wreath kit. We're actually going to use it to make a swag today. So the materials I have are the kit. We have one fireworks stem, 3 different cute little ribbons, and we also have our mesh. So we're going to start by cutting our mesh. We cut it into 1-foot pieces. We're going to roll that up, take our scissors, and cut it in half. We're going to leave it rolled up, and we're going to take this and put them together and tie them all together to make Uncle Sam's beard. So you're going to have, in the kit, you will have a 1-yard piece, so that gives you 3 pieces. So you will have 6 of these little curly cues. And once you've tied them all together, it looks like this. To attach everything, we're going to use one of the twist ties that come on the wreath kit. We're going to snip a small hole in the back of the hat, and then another small hole in the bottom of the hat right next to it. In your kit, you will have one of these stems. You'll want to fluff it open. Just makes it super cute. It will come bent, so you'll want to unbend that stem, and we're not even going to cut this. We're going to use this whole thing. So we're going to take the stem and go through that hole that we've made, through the hole in the back, and then we're going to bring it up so that it just hits past about 1 inch past the twist tie. You're going to want to use some hot glue for this. Put a line of hot glue down the back of the hat. Place the stem over the glue, and as tightly as you can, you want to twist this on here, and that's going to hold it nice and secure. And then you'll want to cut off that excess wire so that it doesn't scratch the back of your door. The next thing we're going to do is we're going to put a little hanger on here. So once you've tied that on, you're going to use this to make your hanger to hang it on the door. You're going to twist that together and then just run the excess down to create a little loop to hang on your door. If this is too small of a loop, you can always make your own with a pipe cleaner. Then we're going to hang this on our wreath board. The next thing we want to do is tie our legs on. They've already got the twist ties on them, and your bow and the beard is going to be right here. So just make sure that these legs don't go up so high so that it looks like his legs are coming out of his neck. They're going to come down to the bottom here. And we're going to wrap these around the stem, one going one way and one going the other way. Get it nice and tight so it doesn't come undone. There's one. And the other one. Then we're going to do the same thing. And then our ribbon is going to cover that. When you get to the end, you'll want to make sure that you wrap that last one around all of them just so that they stay nice and tight. Okay. So then we're going to take his beard, tie it right underneath of the hat. Again, you want to tie it as tight as you possibly can. And when we're finished, straighten out the hat. He's got a cute little beard. And the last thing we're going to do is take our 3 ribbons and create a cute little bow. So, like always, we want to leave a tail, pinch, twist, and then continue. So these ribbons are about 1.33 yards each, just over 1 yard. And we're going to just put one right on top of the other. And then our skinny ribbon last. And then of course you want to cut all of your little V-cuts into your ribbon, make it super cute. Take our cloth covered floral wire, tie the bow together, and then we'll use that same wire to hide our mechanics here. Tie it on there as tight as you can get it. And you can actually tie it or twist it, either way works. Luff up the bow. Make sure everything is hidden. And then we have our super cute Uncle Sam swag.